Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the connector. Install Zotero 7 and Microsoft Word, making sure both are the same architecture so the plugin matches. Once done, open Zotero, go to Preferences, choose Cite, then Word Processors and enable the Word plugin. This triggers installation. Make sure Word is closed when you enable the plugin so files update cleanly. If the prompt appears, Approve Installation, that installs the add-in into Word Startup folder and prepares the toolbar for use. Now open Word and look for the Zotero ribbon or toolbar to confirm activation. You'll use Add/Edit Citation to insert references. Click it, search your library, and press Enter to insert. Choose a citation style in Zotero to control formatting. Zotero will format citations and bibliographies consistently. When you need a reference list, click Add/Edit Bibliography, and Zotero builds it from inserted citations. If you move or rename your library files, make sure Zotero is running. Finish by saving your document and using Document Preferences in the Zotero toolbar to pick or change a citation style. This updates all citations and the bibliography. If you see citation codes like Smith 2020 instead of formatted citations, click Refresh in the Zotero toolbar to convert codes into formatted text. Make sure Zotero is open when refreshing. If the Zotero ribbon disappears after an update, close Word. Reinstall the Word plugin from Zotero Preferences, and then reopen Word to restore functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.